Very good evening and welcome to 6 p.m. Prime, coming to you live from the national capital. I'm Ankit Tyagi. The shocking visuals which we just gave you a glimpse of right at the top of the show are from Nanded, Maharashtra. And we'll talk about this story. It's a shocker during the COVID times as Maharashtra is seeing a huge spurt. We'll talk about this later in the show. I just want to start, ladies and gentlemen, this evening with the Battle of West Bengal. As campaigning for the second phase ends, all eyes now on Nandigram. It's more or less, of course, it's now over to the voters to decide on April 1st whose fate are they sealing in the big battle of Nandigram between Mamata Banerjee and her former close aide, now turned for Shubhendu Adhikari. The battle for Nandigram possibly is going to decide which way is the West Bengal in one of the most heated electoral fight that the state has seen in a long time. Now, all the big guns on the last day of the campaigning for the second phase boomed today in West Bengal, and specifically in Nandigram. It was Home Minister Amit Shah who did a massive rally and also a road show. Nandigram, the all-important constituency, will go on polls on April 1st, sealing the fate of incumbent Mamata Banerjee and her opponent Shubhendu Adhikari. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, who was right in the heat of the battle, campaigning for Shubhendu Adhikari in Nandigram, in an exclusive interview to India Today, said he was confident that Shubhendu will defeat Mamata Banerjee in Nandigram with a big margin. He went to add BJP will over 200 seats in the upcoming state polls. Mamata, on the other hand, was at her fiery best. She took on the Bharatiya Janata Party, addressing a huge crowd at the end of a road show in Nandigram. Now, she accused the BJP of fooling the people and said it is time to clean bowl the BJP from the state. She also accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of bringing outsiders to Nandigram.
निश्चित रूप में नंदीग्राम सीट पर शुभेंदु अधिकारी बड़े मार्जिन के साथ जीतने जा रहे हैं।
मुख्यमंत्री यहाँ पर 3 दिन से कैंप करके बैठी हुई है, अपना पूरा जो जोर है नंदीग्राम पे ही लगा रही है।
वो ही बताता है कि इनके लिए कितना कठिन चुनाव।
আমি যখন একবার নন্দীগ্রামে ঢুকেছি আমি বেরোচ্ছি না। নন্দীগ্রাম আমার জায়গা, আমার মাটি, আমি থাকবো। মনটাকে শক্তিশালী করে ভোটটা দেবেন। খেলা হবে, খেলা হবে। আর যারা গুন্ডারি খুনদামি করছে তাদের 1 তারিখে ভোট দিয়ে এমন করে কবর দেবেন রাজনৈতিকভাবে, যাতে বিজেপিকে কবর দিন, রাজনৈতিকভাবে কবর দিন, রাজনৈতিকভাবে কবর দিন। আর বিজেপিকে নন্দীগ্রাম থেকে বাংলা পর্যন্ত বন্ধ করে দিন।
চারিপাশ থেকে যেখানে যাচ্ছে মানুষের চোখে জল, কাঁদছে আর বলছে মা লড়ে যাব, ভোট দেবো, কিন্তু এই গুন্ডাদের কিন্তু শাস্তি দিতে হবে, শায়েস্তা করতে হবে। আমি এত বড় যে এখানে গুন্ডা আছে কয়েকজন, রাজনীতির লোকেরা যে এত বড় নটোরিয়াস হতে পারে আমি ভাবতে পারি না।
ममता दीदी कह रही है कि एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स को लाया जा रहा है, स्टेट आर्म्ड पुलिस आ रही है,
उसके दिमाग पूरा गड़बड़ हो गया, तो इलाज चाहिए दिमाग।
आप कह रहे हैं कि कोई जो जिस तरह के इल्जाम वो लगा रही है शुभेंदु दा, जिस तरह के इल्जाम वो लगा रही है वो गलत है। शुभेंदु दा, जिस तरह के इल्जाम वो लगा रही हैं, क्रिमिनल्स ला रहे हैं, पुलिस ला रही है दूसरे स्टेट से,
झूठा बात बोलना उसकी आदत है, ये नया बात नहीं है।
Mamata Banerjee's fractured leg has been one of the most talking points in the elections of Bengal. And today, while the national anthem was being sung, Mamata Banerjee stood up to, in fact, honor the national anthem with her fractured leg.
As Mamata Banerjee brought the curtains down on her high-octane campaign in Nandigram, at the penultimate moment, Mamata Banerjee on the dais lent her voice to the national anthem, which was sung by her party men. And while she did that, she stood up from a wheelchair. Her party supporters, of course, advised her not to do that because her injury is still bad. But Mamata Banerjee insisted that she will stand and sing the national anthem. So she did that just a short while back here in Nandigram, and with that she has brought down the curtains on a very high octane campaign that she conducted over the past 3 days in Nandigram. She has been campaigning in Nandigram. She has done padayatras, sitting on her wheelchair across kilometers in Nandigram.
While actor Mithun Chakrabarti, who in fact joined the Bharatiya Janata Party just a few days back, also was in Nandigram today. He was campaigning for Shubhendu Adhikari. Listen in.
साथ इस वक्त मिथुन चक्रवर्ती है। मिथुन दा, यहाँ पर आप कैंपेन करके निकल रहे हैं। बीजेपी के कैसे चांसेस देख रहे हैं पश्चिम बंगाल में? बीजेपी के जी
I think more than 200. More than 200.
मोर देन 200। इतना कॉन्फिडेंट कैसे फील कर रहे हैं?
आपने मुझे पूछा, मुझे जो लगा मैंने बताया।
यहाँ पर जो आप देख रहे हो, जो कंपटीशन देख रहे हो, ममता बनर्जी जिस तरह से इसे अपना प्रेस्टीज बैटल बना रही है, उसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
देखिए, जीतना तो किसी को है, तो आई थिंक शुभेंदु विल विन।
The battle for Nandigram is one of the most closely watched battle, not only in West Bengal but across the country, because this constituency, ladies and gentlemen, could more or less settle a long way down the political, near political future. Which way is not only the Bharatiya Janata Party going, but what about the opposition as far as the country is concerned? So far, the campaigning in Nandigram has been one of high-pitched battle, a lot of drama, political punchlines, because it is Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister herself, fighting against one of her most close confidant at one point of time, Shubhendu Adhikari, who is now BJP's trump card. Take a look at the highlights of how this high-pitched battle campaign has turned out so far.
Once a formidable team in Nandigram, fighting in the bastion of the left. Mamata Banerjee and Shubhendu Adhikari are now fighting the toughest battle of their political lives against each other. This fiercest battle culminates on April the 1st when Nandigram votes. But the battleground has been raging hot for weeks. With stakes high, Mamata Banerjee upped the ante, brandishing her Hindu credentials.
Durga, Bijo Binashini, Sarvasarthi, Rike Devi, Jagodhatti Namostute.
From reciting the Durga and Shiv part to her temple run. Didi and Shubhendu matched each other, temple for temple, rally for rally.
पहले टीम्स को हराना और एक अल्टरनेट फॉर्मेटेबल अल्टरनेट के नाते बीजेपी को लाना, ये मेरा पहली एजेंडा है.
With both the candidates camping in Nandigram came a dramatic twist. Mamata Banerjee injured her foot on the campaign trail.
দিদি আপনার পা ফুলে রয়েছে, দিদি পা ফুলে রয়েছে, আচ্ছা দিদি হাসপাতালে যাচ্ছেন তো? আজ কলকাতায় আমার ডাক্তার দেখেছি।
Accusations flew thick and fast. While the Trinamool cried vendetta, the BJP termed it drama.
अबे तय नहीं हो रहा कि चोट कैसे आई, जांच चल रही है. तृणमूल और कांग्रेस वाले कहते हैं कि बड़ा षड्यंत्र हो गया और चोट करा दी. चुनाव आयोग कहता है हमला नहीं हुआ है, हादसा हुआ है. भगवान जाने सच कौन है.
Mamata in a wheelchair and her foot in a cast vowed not to give up.
আমি যখন একবার নন্দীগ্রামে ঢুকেছি, আমি বেরোচ্ছি না. নন্দীগ্রাম আমার জায়গা, আমার মাটি, আমি থাকবো. মনটাকে শক্তিশালী করে ভোটটা দেবেন, যাতে বিজেপিকে কবর দিন, রাজনৈতিকভাবে কবর দিন, রাজনৈতিকভাবে কবর দিন, আর বিজেপিকে নন্দীগ্রাম থেকে বাংলা পর্যন্ত বন্ধ করে দিন.
Shubhendu too declared that no one can stop him.
ये जीत शुभेंदु का नहीं है, ये बंगाल की जनता जो असली परिवर्तन के लिए उम्मीद लगाकर बैठा हुआ है, उसकी जीत.
The countdown to the clash of the titans has begun. Who will win? Bengal ki beti or Nandigram ka beta? Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, let me very quickly now take you to this exclusive interview of Mamta Banerjee, which my colleague Indrajit Kundu has just in fact a few moments back has in fact done. Let's listen into what Mamta Banerjee told him on the last day of the campaigning.
That is absolutely correct. They are threatening the voters. They will not allow the voters. They are selling. It is from Gokulnagar to Balarampur, Nandigram. Yes. See, I am contesting from here. And Audacity, see, the Home Minister is insisting the Election Commission through some central forces to not to allow the people to cast their vote.
So many central forces they have given.
So many central forces given only to support the BJP. Nothing else. I will submit the Election Commission. Allow Balarampur people their security. Allow Balarampur people to vote, cast their vote. Even the Gokulnagar and other area also.
Did the outsiders are stopping them?
Outsiders, yes. Full outsiders. They are the insiders.
What is the objective?
Are they frightened? Are they scared that they will lose?
Is that the objective?
I will, just now I will go. I will and to you all the media.
All right, so that was Mamta Banerjee making very serious allegations on the central government and, of course, saying that she is going to go and complain to the Election Commission. Poulomi, my colleague, who has had a very, very long day today as the campaigning for the second phase was ending, getting all the top faces on the India Today mic to, get them to answer the questions as campaign came to an end. Poulomi, long day for you. It's quite windy evening here in the national capital. Which way is the wind blowing? I'm only asking you because everybody has been asking me the question. I will ask them. I've told them that Poulomi has the answer. She's been on the ground.
Well, Ankit, of course, we would all hope that, we would be able to predict the future or at least see what the future holds in store, but we don't know. What I can definitely tell all our viewers is that it, of course, has been a high-octane contest over here. The campaigning has just come to a close, and as you just heard from Mamta Banerjee, the charges continue to fly thick and fast. I don't think that, there will be any peace and quiet over the silence period, if you may, until, of course, Nandigram goes and casts its ballot on April 1st, starting 7 a.m. Of course, it has been a very close contest. Both individuals in the fray from the Bharatiya Janata Party and the TMC putting their entire might and resources and, of course, their prestige also in this contest as well. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, of course, making an emotional decision almost in January this year when she decided to contest from Nandigram and do away with her seat of Bhawanipur, so not contest from any second seat. And then, of course, the BJP making that very crucial decision that they will pit Shubhendu Adhikari from this prestigious constituency, so turning it into a battle royale. Who the voter, of course, picks at the end of the day, Ankit, you and I will find out on May 2nd.
Absolutely. It's over to the voters, those who are, in fact, going to cast their vote on April 1st. As the second phase of election is going to take place there now. Very quickly, we have, just been just taking a look at all the inputs that Poulomi and all our colleagues have been sending. And with that, we just, in fact, want to put a few scenarios when it comes to the Battle of Nandigram, because this is the most talked about constituency in the entire West Bengal election. So, scenario one, both Mamta Banerjee and TMC win. It will be big indication for TMC Supremo's stand, and Mamta's stature will rise nationally as well, because Nandigram right now, where the BJP has possibly at this point of time pulled their entire might, from the rally of the Prime Minister to the Home Minister today, in fact, doing multiple rallies and road shows. Meanwhile, if Mamta Banerjee loses Nandigram, Mamta Banerjee wins, but TMC, in fact, loses the power. Mamta will lose power as the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Didi will have to do with Leader of Opposition post. Scenario 3, BJP wins, TMC wins West Bengal, but what if Mamta Banerjee loses Nandigram? That would be a big personal blow to Mamta Banerjee, because losing a sitting chief minister, losing, in fact, her constituency, losing the constituency she's fighting from, and that too at the hands of her former confidant, now a very bitter rival. Meanwhile, TMC may still elect Mamata Banerjee as the Chief Minister. She is the biggest face as far as the TMC is concerned. Mamata will then, in 6 months, need to possibly go to some other seat and win election from there. Scenario 4, if both Mamata Banerjee and TMC lose. Massive boost for BJP and Shubhendu Adhikari. Shubhendu may turn out as the giant killer. This is his stronghold. And Shubhendu Adhikari will then have a very heavy weight to in fact put when the negotiations for who will be the Chief Minister of West Bengal, if there is this scenario that plays out and the BJP is in a position to form the government in West Bengal. All right, with that, we are slipping into a very short break on 6 p.m. Prime.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.